I cannot keep this nail art design all to myself. Check out this futuristic French using the new Light Elegance Out of This World collection. I start with the new Milky Pink, and then I'm sponging on Miss Martian, which is a gorgeous hot pink. And I'm going to keep that towards the center of the nail to give kind of like that aura effect. I'm going to be doing 2 coats of this. Make sure to cure in between each coat. And I will also write down all of these steps down in the caption. So then I'm going to be applying the pink iridescent glitter, which is called Over the Moon, in a thin layer, and then curing that. Now to create a nice surface for our nail art, I'm going to be applying a layer of base coat and then buffing with the foamy buffer, and that'll give us the perfect smooth finish. Now using the dark purple, which is called You're in My Orbit, I am painting on the French design. And if you have a structured base, you can either use the gel polish or the buttercreams for precision art. Then I'm going in with the white gel paint, adding some stars, and then finishing the design with this fun teal called Alien Invasion. Now you have the perfect out of this world French design. And this is not a look I have ever done on myself, but I am in love. It's so fun and funky. And you can get the new collection in gel polish or hard gel at lightelegance.com. And as always, they are vegan, cruelty-free, 9-free, and HEMA-free.